Hey guys, so for today's vlog, it's going to be an educational one because I am going to do a simple makeup while answering some of the questions that I collected from my Instagram story. So let's start. So first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows while answering the first question. So the first question is, how has this course improved or worsened your sense of history? So, to be honest, I am not interested about all of the history way back then, like in elementary days and in high school days, because we are more focused on the memorization of the topics or the lessons, like the dates, the person or the people, the event, all of that. So, it makes, parang naboboard ako pag ganun, parang nawawala yung, parang hindi na siya history eh. More on na siya sa memorization of that, of all of that. So, next is, I'm gonna conceal my imperfections. So, while answering the next question. So, the next question is, does history still matters? So, for me, it is important to know about kung saan tayo nanggaling. Kasi, kung ano yung meron tayo ngayon, nanggaling yun sa past, nanggaling yun sa history natin. Kasi, through that, nag-improve tayo, na-improve natin yung sarili natin, na-improve natin yung world because we learn from that history, we learn from that past. And those unanswered and parang yung mga hindi na-solve na mysteries dito, by knowing or by learning about the history, it can be solved, it can be answered, the questions that is being asked. Because hindi lang naman lahat ng history is about the people, it is also about the world, what happened to the world way back then, and how it is affected us as a human. So the next question is, what historical period in Western history resonated to you the most? So, for me, the historical period that resonated to me the most is the ancient Greece, where the democracy started, because they believe this is the most parang ito yung pinakang magandang way para pumili ng tao na i-elect or pumili ng mamumuno na i-elect ng mga tao na hanggang ngayon is parang ginagamit siya na political way dito sa Pilipinas or saan man sa ibang bansa. The last question is, what will you take with you from this course as you continue your education? So for me, I will na nakuha ko dito sa course na to is yung pagkakaroon ng pakialam sa history, pagkakaroon ng parang background sa history, because it is important, it is where we began, it is where we improve our lives, it is where we improve our world. Kasi sa lahat ng natutunan natin sa history, it can be the way for us to be a better person and not Yan. So, that's all for today. I hope you learned something from me. So, bye! Thank you for watching.